an assembly of the convenience concept, item number V2107, Schaffer end table, espresso color, that weighs 23 pounds. This is what it looks like. Purchased this through overstock.com for about $73, $74, that range. And there's instructions in the front of the box. Don't dispose of the box until a unit is assembled. And of course, made in Vietnam, because the United States doesn't make anything. So made it in Vietnam. Next pup. All right, so we're going to put this together. Shouldn't take that long. It looks pretty simple. And so this is how we're going to do it. So let's open the box first. Okay, so ordered this about 3 days ago. The box is now completely. Get the box opened up. It comes with a tool hardware toolkit, V2107. So all the tools in it, the assembly tools. Max is curious. He thinks it's a dog toy. It's not a dog toy, Max. So let's get to opening up and putting it together. All right. So those are the top box. Max ran away from it. So this is the parts that go to it. So I gotta open up this stuff up as well. Take all this wrapping stuff off. Styrofoam packing materials, and we'll get it together. We got the styrofoam out of there, and I'm gonna cut this strap off to loosen it from this other connection part that goes here. So there's still more stuff to do. And, packing materials. Max, of course, is scared of the packing materials. I'm gonna watch the dogs. Dogs don't eat this stuff. Here's the instruction packet, assembly instructions. I've got to read before assembling it. Looks relatively easy, so it shouldn't take that long. And we'll get to work on it. Okay, so this is the top that goes part number 3, which I'm assuming is this thing here on the picture. So that's what this is. Made of particle board, according to the box, because nothing's made of real wood, just like nothing's made in the United States. Okay, so this is the little drawer that goes in it, so I can put it together. I'm assuming this is the legs that go with the table. And of course, when you use a knife, always be careful not to cut things on the tables that get torn out. There's a lot of wrapping paper, a lot of wrapping this stuff. Part number 2, these are the legs just as I expected. Take all this wrap off. So the legs, they look like bending legs. And I guess is where the middle part goes, or the assemble that. So I shouldn't need a knife anymore. Put the knife away before I cut something with it. Okay, and it comes with the hardware list. This is the Allen bolt, the bracket, small screw, wooden dowel, and the Allen wrench. This part lists the tabletop, the shelf, and the legs, 4-piece legs. And we're going to do the step 1 now. Let's do step 1. Okay, so step 1 is to insert wooden dowels into shelf number 3. So that's what we'll do. Okay, so there's the parts. You got the wooden dowel things, the brackets, the screws, the Allen wrench, and the bolts. So let's put it together. Okay, the instructions say to assemble unit on carpet or other soft surface, which is what we're doing. The wooden dowel, and I'm going to insert it into the table, the shelf. Okay, so here's the wooden dowel. Put it into the hole, into the shelf like that. Get the second one there. 2 more to do. Take them out of the bag and assemble them. You always got to watch out for when you have dogs or children that you make sure they don't get to it, because they can eat these and swallow them, especially Max, as he's very curious what I'm doing. I've got the wooden dowels in. The next step is to connect the 2 legs to the tabletop. using the Allen bolt. Let's do that. Okay, so got the first leg in, and make sure it goes in the curvature just like that. And the Allen screw goes right in here, like that way. You don't do it the other way because you'll never get it in there. And you move the shelf out so you can get the Allen wrench to easily fit in there, so you don't have to use the small end. You can use the bottom end or the long end, just like that. So let's get the other leg in. Okay, so we got leg number 2 in, 2 legs ago, and I can put the center table like that. Okay, so we got the number that part in. So you notice it goes just like that. So I'm going to put the 2 more legs in there, and it'll be nice and steady. And always make sure you put that finished end upwards, because you don't want this bottom end to show. That's how you do it. Okay, so that's leg number 3 in. 1 more leg to go, and be done, and flip it over, and be finished with the project. Okay, so I got all the 4 legs assembled with the top here. There's the drawer here. I'm going to cut this strap later on. You can if you want to, but I guess you don't usually need it, you know. So now I'm going to put these little brackets up here. These are the supporting brackets which hold the table up in place, just like that. And so that's what I'll be doing. Next step. Be all done. Okay, for the little brackets, you need a small Phillips screwdriver to connect them together. So to get the Phillips screwdriver. I like it. There's Gypsy sleeping, laying down on the bed, or laying down on the couch, I should say. Light. The best thing to do when you're doing this is to get a thin Phillips screwdriver, because if you have big hands like I do, big fingers, and it's hard to get in there with a regular standard size screwdriver. It doesn't give much leeway, and you're trying to tighten this down and you're hitting right against the base, right against the wood. I'm going to try to find a small Phillips screwdriver in the shed. Okay, and the final step is to tighten these ones from the top down into the plate bearer, and that'll be done. Okay, 1 more screw to tighten up. Put this screw right in there, and be done. Flip it over and be done. See what it looks like. Okay, there it is. It's done. Make sure everything is tightened up, and that is it. Okay, and there's the finished project. Convenience Concepts countertop table. All done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, there it is. So that's where it's going to be at.